Hello, my name is Philip. Today I want to talk about how can we make peace in the world. A lot of people are dying like this picture because there is no peace in the world. How can we stop this? I can tell you about it. First, we need to stop fighting the wars. You know, Russia, Ukraine, Iran and Israel need to rid of territory. Because a lot of people have started the war because of the people's greed. A lot of people are only feeling pain and sadness because there is no peace in the world. So we need to make peace. We need to stop the war to make peace in the world. Next, we must destroy dangerous weapons. If we left dangerous weapon, some greedy countries could start the war again. For example, we need to destroy missiles. A lot of countries have been destroyed extremely badly because of the missiles. Even worse, some countries have been destroyed because of the nukes. So we need to destroy dangerous weapons. Lastly, we must pray God. There is a lot of greedy countries, so they always want more and more. So they could have a greed of territory, so they could start the war. So we need to pray to God like this. Let's read it together. Please let the people be content. Please stop the countries from going to war. Please make peace in the world. We can pray to God and make peace in the world. In conclusion, we need to make peace in the world by stopping the war, destroying dangerous weapons, and praying to God for the people who are living hard and who are fighting and dying because there is no peace in the world. Thank you for listening.